in power for the first time.
Its record. Is it the party of governance?
Well, that's what I'm saying. In Odisha, BJP has come in power for the first time. The Congress has been in power for 10 times there.
Nalin,
okay.
Is the BJP really the party of governance? And the Congress gets in where?
Rahul, there are two things. One is the BJP breaking into new areas?
Yes.
Yes. Odisha is one of those.
Yeah, absolutely.
In the south,
Kerala,
Kerala is the other place. Is the BJP increasing its footprint in its existing bastions? Yes. If you look at the older bastions, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh has not been out of power for over 2 decades, barring the Kamal Nath interim in the middle. In the Hindi heartland, this result seems to indicate that whatever reverses that were happening, those have got reversed again. So, so in the sense that they were more the outcome of local causes or of a specific moment in time as opposed to a larger historic shift. Absolutely. So that is the difference between Congress and BJP at the moment.
Shazia Elmi, would you like to respond? Shazia Elmi. Yes.
You know, just a small point, Rahul. Yeah, you're talking about something which is the most important, which is the heart of the matter, which is governance. And I think that is the purpose and the mandate of every government in power, states and centre. Now just look at 3 states. Let's just look at Telangana. Too early to start. Look at Karnataka and Himachal. Look at what's happened with governance model, with administration, with all the talk of guarantees and subsidies and the fiscal deficit. Just see what a mess there is. Also on corruption, I can say, but particularly Himachal and Karnataka. It is a complete royal mess. Himachal is having a problem in even giving salaries next month. So is Punjab. And you know, all the subsidies that were announced, whether they were for power and water, they are also being taken away now because they're saying people who can pay income tax should not get a subsidy. So a lot of them are being taken back because they can't do it. So, you know, when there are no pre-budgetary allocations, when there is no planning, expenditure is not preempted, when you just do this, this is what happens. And this is being